But yeah, almost done. I got some of this stuff in my hair. It's kind of annoying, but it's okay. I'm gonna have to vacuum out my seats now because the stuff's dripping down in my seat. But yeah, almost done. About to just spray the rest of this on and get the sealant to stick. I see why they say light coat. This stuff's very gas. I don't know. Makes you just want to choke. Pause. But it's sticking. If you could tell, if you can see, but you'll see as a finish. And just like that, man, that's how easy it is to fix. Just a couple of simple steps. Let me show y'all. So that's the sealing. Now that it's done, you see that it's not drooping no more to the left or to the right. I fixed it all up here. I got little scratches right here that I left, but other than that, man, that's pretty it. That's it, man. It's pretty simple, easy. Let me know if you need help in the comments below, and yeah, I'll get at you. Peace. Word of advice: if you do this, you might want to put a towel and like a cover down on your back seat, because you might get the carpet particle stuff onto your seat.